Hello, my dear friends. I'm Dr. Wasim I Khan, Assistant Professor, Sri Shivaji Law College, Parbhani, Maharashtra, India. So today's point of discussion will be a positive school of criminology, which is also known as the Italian School of Criminology, and especially we will discuss the concept of crime and the cause of crime, which explained by the Cesare Lombroso. So Lombrosian school we will discuss in this particular lecture. So let's start the topic. Positive schools of criminology, and in this particular lecture we will discuss the Cesare Lombroso's approach on the positive school of criminology. So Cesare Lombroso was born in the year of 1835 and he died in the year of 1909. So this is the image of Cesare Lombroso. Lombroso was an Italian criminologist and founder of the positive school. So Cesare Lombroso was the founder of the positive school and he was an Italian criminologist, and that's why positive school is also known as a Italian school of criminology. He was educated in medicine and became a specialist in psychiatry. So he studied in medicine, and after completing his study in medicine, he became a specialist in psychiatry. He becomes a psychiatrist after completing his education in the medicine. He worked in a military for handling the mentally afflicted soldiers. So after completing his study, the Cesare Lombroso worked in a military and he used to handle the mentally afflicted soldiers. The soldiers who are suffering from a mental disorder, the Cesare Lombroso used to handle those soldiers in his period. His first published work was The Criminal Man. So the first book wrote by the Cesare Lombroso was A Criminal Man. He studied 383 skull and 5,907 body of a person and classified criminal into born criminal, insane criminal, occasional criminal and habitual criminal. So after studying 383 skull and 5,907 bodies of criminal, he classified a criminal into 4 classifications suggested by the Cesare Lombroso. The first one is born criminal, second one is insane criminal, third one is occasional criminal, and fourth one is habitual criminal. We will discuss one by one all these classification of Cesare Lombroso. The first classification is that born criminal. Cesare Lombroso has suggested a certain physical abnormalities. If those physical abnormalities found in any person, he may be a born criminal according to Cesare Lombroso. And the first physical abnormality is a sloping forehead. Normally, the forehead of the person is flat. If any person who is having a sloping forehead, it may be one of the physical abnormality which may lead a person to the born criminal. Second one is bushy eyebrows. If the person is having a bushy eyebrows, dense eyebrows, so this may be also one of the physical abnormalities suggested by the Cesare Lombroso, and which may be one of the reason behind the born criminal. Next one is crooked nose. The person who is having a crooked nose, cross nose, that person may be a born criminal according to Cesare Lombroso because it is the physical abnormality of a person. Next one is shifty eyes. If the eyes is shifty, then this may be one of the physical abnormality. And Cesare Lombroso has studied all the bodies, and after studying the bodies, he put forth that the criminals are not made but born because they are having a certain physical abnormalities, and in that particular physical abnormalities, crooked nose and shifty eyes exist. Next physical abnormality is that asymmetry of face. If the face is not in symmetry, asymmetry of face, if the shape of the face is not a proper one, this may also be one of the physical abnormality according to Cesare Lombroso, and such person may be a born criminal. Attached earlobes. Normally the normal persons doesn't have attached earlobes, but the person who is having attached earlobes, this may be one of the physical abnormality according to Cesar Lombroso, which may found in the born criminal. Next one is bump on head. If the person by birth is having a bump on his head, this may be one of the physical abnormality. Next one is excessive wrinkles on skin. If the person is having a thick skin, excessive wrinkles on the skin, this may also be one of the physical abnormality according to Cesar Lombroso, which may be found in a born criminal. Next one is unusual size of head. If the size of head is unusual, if the face is small and the head is bigger than the face, then it is called unusual size of head, and unusual size of head is a physical abnormality. Next one is arm span greater than height. Normally, the arm span is equivalent to the height of a person. If the arm span is greater than the height of a person, it is one of the physical abnormality according to Cesar Lombroso, which may be found in the born criminal. Scanty beard. Genetically, the person is having a certain genes in which the person, due to which the person may have a scanty beard, and scanty beard is also one of the physical abnormality according to Cesar Lombroso, which may be found in a born criminal. Long lower jaw. If the person is having a long lower jaw, abnormal lower jaw, then it is also one of the physical abnormality. Supernumerary fingers. Normally the person is having 8 fingers and 2 thumbs in the hand. If more than that, if he is having, it is called supernumerary fingers, and it is also one of the physical abnormality according to the Cesar Lombroso. So these are the particular physical abnormality, and according to Cesar Lombroso, if the person is having more than one physical abnormality in his body, then he may be a born criminal. Confirm Cesar Lombroso was not confirmed, but he says that this may be one of the factors which lead a person towards the criminality, and that's why he kept those offenders in the category of born criminals. Next one is insane criminal, who resorted to criminality on account of certain mental depravity or disorder. The insane criminal used to commit an offense due to the mental disorder. They commit an offense because they are suffering from a mental disorder. They are not a prudent man, and that's why they are committing an offense. Example of insane criminal is a kleptomaniac. Kleptomania means an irresistible urge to steal items of less value such as pens, paper and clips. When the person is stealing the articles of less value and he can't control himself, it means he is suffering from kleptomania, and this is a mental disorder. This image clearly shows that the person, the boy, steals something which is having a less value. He can't control himself. It means he is suffering from kleptomania, and kleptomania is one of the mental disorder. In another image, the person who went to the library for reading some article, after reading the article, he kept the book with himself. This is also a kleptomania, and it is a mental disorder. The person is going to the restaurant and after finishing his meal, he steals a spoon and bowl. This is also kleptomania. So these images represent that a person is suffering from a kleptomania. So kleptomaniac is one of the mental disorder. Alcoholic. In most of the offenses, alcohol is one of the reason. The person is under the influence of liquor, can't differentiate between right and wrong, and these factors may be one of the reason behind the criminal behavior of a person. So alcoholic, when the person can't differentiate between right and wrong due to the intoxication, it means this is one type of insanity. Alcoholic also comes under the category of insane criminal according to Cesar Lombroso. Next category of criminal suggested by Cesar Lombroso was occasional criminal. In occasional criminal, the first type is a pseudo criminal who is not really a criminal by nature or by choice, but due to force of circumstances they commits a crime. The person is not a criminal by nature. He doesn't commit an offense by choice, but there are a certain circumstances which force a person to commit an offense. If the circumstances was not there, he would have not commit an offense, but due to the force of circumstances, sometimes the circumstances instigate a person to commit an offense, and under such circumstances, if a person commits an offense, he comes under the category of occasional criminal, according to Cesar Lombroso. Criminaloids who were physical criminal type and had tendency to commit crime in order to overcome their inferiority or in order to meet the needs of survival. Some person may have a body, and that particular body is a type of a criminal. Physically, a person is of a criminal type, and to overcome from such a physical abnormality, the person commits an offense. He looks like a criminal and he wants to overcome from that particular inferiority complex, and in that particular process he commits an offense, and that particular offender will comes under the category of occasional criminal, according to Cesar Lombroso. Next type of criminal, according to Cesar Lombroso, is habitual offender. Does not suffer from abnormal heredity. Habitual offender does not suffer from abnormal heredity. So he is normal by birth, but there are several environmental factors which are responsible behind the criminal behavior of a person. There are several environmental factors which leads a person toward the habitual offender. So the person is normal by birth, but certain environmental factors made a person habitual offender, in which the first one is faulty childhood habits. If the child is having a bad habits since from his childhood, then this habit leads a person towards the criminality, and one day the person becomes habitual offender. So faulty childhood habit is one of the reason behind the habitual offender. Next one is misery at home. If the parents are quarreling with each other, then definitely child prefer to live away from the home, and this factor leads a person towards the criminality, and one day the person, that particular child, may become a habitual offender. So misery at home is one of the reasons behind the habitual offender. Desertion by parents. If one of the parents deserted the child, this may also be one of the factors which lead a person toward the habitual offender. So these are the particular reasons which made a person habitual offender. Now, the criticism on Lombroso born criminal theory, as the Cesar Lombroso put forth that the criminals are not made but born, he suggested a certain physical abnormality. If those physical abnormality found in any person, he may be a born criminal. So several criminologists criticized the born criminal theory of Cesar Lombroso. The first criticism was, not having examined non-criminal, how he can come to conclusion that the criminals are born criminal. Cesar Lombroso has examined only the bodies of criminal. He had not examined the bodies of non-criminal. So this was the base of criticism. Okay, without examining the body of non-criminal, how he can say that the criminals are not made but born. This was the first criticism. Second one is the Lombrosian school, by shifting attention from crime as a social phenomena to crime as an individual phenomena, delayed 50 years work. Second criticism was that Cesar Lombroso has attracted the views of the persons toward the physical phenomena, because he suggested a certain physical abnormality due to which the person commits an offense. So the Cesar Lombroso highlight only the personality of the individual, but the other criminologist suggests that the society itself is one of the reasons behind the commission of offense. So this particular approach of Cesar Lombroso has delayed the work by 50 years. That was the criticism on the Cesar Lombroso theory. So Lombroso, after further research and in the wake of heavy criticism, himself admitted that 2 criminals out of 3 environmental factors may be responsible. So after criticism, the Cesar Lombroso has corrected his theory, and he says that out of 3 criminals, 2 criminals commits an offense due to environmental factors only. So the approach of Cesar Lombroso was mild after criticism. So this is the approach of Cesar Lombroso. So Cesar Lombroso has classified criminal into 4. The first one is born criminal, second one is insane criminal, third one is occasional criminal, and fourth one is habitual offender. And he has suggested a certain reason behind such a criminality. I hope you understand this topic. If you understand this topic, please subscribe my channel, hit the notification button, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.